In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send your first campaign in Brevo. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in the dashboard, how to create the campaign, choose who receives it, pick a template, and schedule it to send. Start by signing in to your Brevo account and looking at the main navigation. Head to Marketing, and then go to Campaigns, and choose Email. This is the area where Brevo keeps all of your email campaigns in one place, including drafts, scheduled campaigns, and anything you have already sent. Next, click the option to create an email campaign. When Brevo asks what type of campaign you want, choose Email. This makes sure you are building a standard email send, not a different marketing message type. Now you will name your campaign. Type a clear name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple campaigns over time. A good name usually includes the purpose and the date, but keep it simple and easy to scan. After you enter the name, click Create Campaign to move forward. Once the campaign is created, you will choose your recipients. Select the list or audience you want to send to, and take a moment to confirm it is the correct group before continuing. This is important because your recipient selection controls who gets the email. When you are satisfied with your choice, click Save. After that, it is time to build the email content. Click Design Email, then go to the Template selection area and look for a template that matches your campaign. Choose something that fits your goal, whether that is an announcement, a newsletter, or a promotion. A clean layout with clear sections usually works best, especially for your first campaign. Select the template you want to use, and then click Next to proceed. Finally, click Schedule. This is where you set when the campaign will go out. Scheduling helps you control timing and ensures the email sends when you want it to. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.